Move over, BullX, there's a new kid on the block. If you guys haven't already heard, there's this bot called Axiom which just came out and it's been getting a bunch of hype. I've had the opportunity to beta test it over the past 48 hours and it's like BullX on steroids. It has a bunch of new features and it's backed by Y Combinator. In this video, I'm going to go over exactly how it works, how to set it up, and if it's worth switching over. Before we start, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, on Instagram, and most importantly, join Soul Mafia. It's the #1 thing you can do to become a better trader. Also, check out Axiom and Nova in the description below. It's the current combo I use to trade. Getting set up on Axiom has been the easiest out of any bot I've experienced. All you have to do is go to the link in the description or go to axiom.trade/@prosper. You need the code to sign up because it's currently closed for beta members to people who have codes like me. And then you're going to put in the email that you want to use to sign up or connect with Phantom or Google. So I'm just going to put in our business email, click sign up, and then you're going to have a verification code. And all you have to do is put that in. Now it's going to ask you to create a password. And boom, you're in. If you've never treated meme coins before, make sure to click reveal my key, write down these words on a piece of paper, and put them away safely. It's the only way you'll have access to your account in case you lose it. Then just click the X, and now you're able to buy Solana. You can actually buy it directly from the Axiom website using Coinbase, or you can deposit it. The wallet address is right here. And you can also convert Solana to USDC because Axiom also features Perpetual Trading. So I'm going to go over exactly how everything works now. So I switched over to my main account, but what we're going to do is we're going to go to polls on the top left, and you're going to see the equivalent of Neo Vision, Pump Vision, etc. You have new pairs on the left, about to migrate in the middle, and migrate on the right. And so why is this so much better? First off, just look at how much faster it is. You can see the numbers are actually really smooth. Unlike any other bot I've seen, they actually update and don't feel choppy, and the UI has been nicely done. It's been coded nicely. It just feels a lot better, a lot smoother, and a lot more reliable. Not only that, but they added a bunch of features that aren't actually in other bots. So for example, like every other bot, you have top 10 holders, dev holding, sniper holding, insider holding, but then you also have this new feature called bundle holding, which usually you would have to go to Soul Mafia, type in /bundle check or /bundle, and now it's directly integrated into the bot. You can see exactly how bundled the coin is. Super useful. Now on the top of the coin, just like any other coin, you have the Twitter, the pump fund, the Telegram, and then you have this new little icon that looks like a search. And if you click on it, we're going to do on this coin, which has a big amount of people, it's going to actually go on Twitter and look up the coin or the CA, so you can see people talking about it, if influencers are shilling it, people posting the CA, etc. And you can see this coin has a lot of hype right now, so it might be a good sign that it goes up in the future. You never know, but it's a really good way to do some quick research on the coin. You also have a few other stats that are interesting. You have the holder count, of course, right here, and then they also added a dev migrations count, so you can see exactly how many coins the dev has already created that have migrated, and so that's super useful. You can say, okay, if this dev has created, I don't know, 50 coins and all 30 or 40 of them have migrated, it's likely that this one's going to migrate. It's a good sign. And then you also have pro traders, which I'm guessing is their equivalent to smart wallets. They also just pay attention to the details. You can hover over any coin's X or see if the Twitter has been reused without actually clicking on the X or going to Soul Mafia and typing in the /Twitter reuse command. So for example, hover over this and you're going to see Trader War Soul. And it's just so easy, so quick, so convenient, and just a good way to, again, quickly screen, make your analysis, and go on to the next coin if you don't like it. I love it personally, and these small features are really what make the bot for me. So let's go see what a coin looks like. Also, I forgot to mention, you can actually see if the DEX is paid or not, which is also just super useful. You have DEX paid on the right. But anyways, I'm going to go to War, for example, because we were talking about it. And you're going to see all of this data. It looks kind of like BullX and Photon. Of course, there's still the same theme going on, but I think it's just a lot better, and you have more info and an easier way to look at things. So on the top right, you have more token info. You have if the DEX is paid, pro traders, holders, liquidity burned, again, bundlers, all of that stats, all that beautiful stuff. On the top right, you have the 5-minute volume, 1-hour volume, etc., the buys and sells. And again, it's just a lot smoother. And then what you can do is click the trades table. I actually click panel because I like it better. And you can see the amount of trades on the right, and then also leave this space open for something else. So for example, if you like to look at holders and look at how much the top ones have, and maybe what the bubble map looks like, you have it here. You also have the instant trading panel just like Nova, and then if you prefer Nova, you can just click on Nova, it'll enable it. So again, super useful. And again, I love Nova, I love this bot. I kind of use both depending on the volume, how I'm feeling. And I just like having the option to be able to use both. In terms of presets, you have 3 of them, and you can click on them here to edit your slippage, your priority, and your bribe with map protection on or off. Just like in other videos, we've talked about this a bunch of times. But now what they added is something called RPC nodes. And if you're not really sure on how that works, you can just leave that empty and then maybe look into it on your own time. Maybe I'll make a video on it later. But overall, the option to add your own custom RPC is super useful. If you're a really heavy pro trader and you're trading with a lot of money, it allows you to actually get like the fastest fills possible, because again, it's private nodes and it's something that I think a lot of big traders like Cupsy or whatever use when they're trading with millions and millions of dollars. But here's where it gets juicy. On the top left, you can click on trackers and you're going to see your wallet tracker page and your Twitter alerts page. Twitter alerts is pretty cool. It's like the CT tracker that we have in our Discord, but it's going to be a lot slower. I only still use the CT tracker, and I really wouldn't go anywhere else without using a really hyper fast Twitter tracker. But again, if you are really on a budget, it kind of helps to have it in the bot. You don't really have this in other bots. And then on the left, you have the wallet manager, which is super useful. It's just like our wallet tracking on BullX or GMGN or Photon or whatever, but it's going to be a lot faster, right? I've noticed that the wallet trades that pop up here are actually useful for you if you kind of want to copy trade, and in general it's just super fast. And so you can actually go to my Discord to get the list of the wallets that I track. I have the premium list for premium members, which are going to be like really juicy cool wallets that I've found personally, and then the regular wallets that I usually track are also going to be for free in the free list. Obviously I'm going to kind of omit the really good ones. But again, you can go to my Discord, find the wallets I track, and it's super useful. And all you have to do to import and export them is go here, click on Wallet Manager. You can click Import, put in the JSON file in the Discord. It's already posted. And then if you want to add a wallet manually, you can click this Add a Wallet button on the top, bottom left. Then you're going to click on the emoji, put in the wallet name, wallet address, click Add Wallet, and it's as easy as that. You can also pop these both out. So let's say we go back to Pulse. You're going to go to the bottom left, and you're going to see wallet tracker, Twitter tracker, and then the prices of Bitcoin, ETH, and Sol. And so you can just click on wallet tracker. It's going to pop out a little window, and you can adjust it, move it where you want, or click on this little button to open it in a new tab, and again, put it on another window. Same thing with Twitter tracker. Just click on that. It's going to pop up a little window, and it's super useful, easy to look at. And again, I really like the little detail of being able to move it around, unlike a bot like BullX, where it's very fixed and like small and not nearly as productive. Now real quick, right below me, you're going to be able to see the average gas fees, bribe fees, if the connection is stable or not, documentation, Twitter, Discord, and then mute or enable notifications. And then on the bottom left, all the way down, you can actually adjust your 3 presets here as well as on the coin page where we talked about. Another really cool feature is that you can trade perps on Axiom, so you can do futures and options, and you can do it leveraged by just clicking on Perpetual's page. You're going to see Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin. You can short it, long it, whatever. And it's really useful that you can do this directly on the platform. I don't think this is the platform we would use to exclusively do this, but having the ability to do so is just really cool. And also, I just wanted to note on this that we are probably going to be transitioning to perp futures and options and contracts on this channel in the near future, in a couple months, when the meme coin market really starts slowing down and it becomes a lot more convenient to trade perps, options, longs, and shorts, because that's going to be where the real returns are. So again, stay tuned to that, stick around, subscribe, it's going to be really cool. But again, just the option of having it on Axiom is pretty useful. You have open orders, positions, trades, whatever. So yeah, pretty cool. You also have the ability to go to the yield screen and stake your USDC or Solana, which is pretty useful. I personally wouldn't really do it on this platform, but again, just having the option is pretty nice and cool to have all in one place. You also have the portfolio screen. Right now my P&L isn't the best, but whatever, you win some, you lose some, you know how this market is. But yeah, you have the total transactions, how much money you've made, your activity, perpetual spots. And again, you're going to see a very low balance here because I literally just got the platform. I'm brand new to it. And then on the right, you have rewards, which is pretty cool. You can do an affiliate link referral system like any other bot, but then they also give you cash back for every single time you trade, which is unlike any bot I've seen. So you have your SOL earned, you have a little point system. So, you know, maybe like Platinum, Amex, or whatever, you get a little bit of money back, and they seem a little more generous than other bots with that type of stuff. So again, super useful to have, pretty cool. And then on the top right of the screen, you just have a search token by CA, just like any other bot. You can just click / look up like Trump, for example. The token's going to show up, and then click on it, brings you to the token page. You have the watch list, you have notifications up here, which is pretty cool. and then again balances which are split between Solana and USDC, because again you can trade perps on this platform. Thanks so much for watching. If you made it all the way here, I think you're part of the elites, and we're gonna make a shit ton of money together. Once again, please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, on Instagram, and most importantly, join Sol Mafia. It's literally the best thing you can do to become a better trader. Also, check out Axiom and Nova in the description below. It's my current trading combo.